It's almost closing day, and I bet you are packing up and feeling overwhelmed at this point, which is so normal and part of this crazy moving process. Here are just a few tips to help prepare yourself. It is important to call or go online to the utility companies and give them a final date of service. And that date should match with your final date of possession in the home. The buyer will be given all of the contact information to contact the utility companies at that point, and they will set up new accounts. Very often for garbage, they have you leave the garbage cans out on the street and they pick up your old garbage cans and will drop off new garbage cans. So be sure to get information about that. If there are any other things that you need help with, please just say the word and we will help you facilitate.